I can't believe I'm filming. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I'm finally saying that. Is it a dream? I don't know. Well, I'm really sorry. It took me a long time, only 3 years, to come back here and say hi to you and create some new content. Many things have changed in my life, and the most important and the most beautiful one is like becoming a mother. I'm really enjoying, although it's 24 hours, it's a full-time job and I'm not getting paid for that. I'm joking. I'm really enjoying, and for those of you who are following me on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of things which changed in my life. I tried to be, you know, active there at least, so you guys can see my makeup and see transformations and before and afters. But I thought now it's time to go back to my YouTube and create more, you know, clear content for you guys and explain a little bit of my technique. So here I am. I'm really happy to be back, and for those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Annie, and I'm a makeup artist, which currently doesn't work as a makeup artist because has a toddler at home. And joking, I really enjoy to be with my baby, and I think this is the most beautiful thing in the world, to be a mother and to spend this time with your little one and to discover all the milestones that she's reaching, and you know, all of this, because time is passing so fast and you never know when your little one is not so little anymore and you're like, what happened? Anyways, I'm getting emotional. Yes, so why am I here? Well, today I want to show you guys my version of latte makeup. It's a viral trend at the moment, although if I have to describe it, it's just like a simple, in my opinion, simple bronzy earthy color look, light, which as usual goes perfectly well with everything you want to wear. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to achieve it in a very you know, easy way, because I don't want to make it complicated. So if you guys want to see how I will achieve this look, just make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so my eyelids are primed. You guys can use any primer or any concealer, it's up to you. If you're following me for a while, you probably know that I love using Tarte Shape Tape as a not only concealer but as an eyeshadow base. Why? Because it dries up in a wonderful way that it's like a bit tacky and it's not creasing that much, and in the same time, for me personally, I feel like it's holding the eyeshadow a really long time, and it's really acting, to be honest, pretty much in the same way as eyeshadow base. So that's why I love using it. So now that I primed my eyelids, I'm just gonna tap the excess of the concealer just to make sure there is no line. So I'm just dabbing my finger a little bit like so. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using Tarte Man-Eater or Min-Eater. I don't really know what's the best way to pronounce this word, so I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lust, which is more of a neutral, like a skin tone shade, peachy rosy tone, and using a blending brush like this one, fluffy, I'm gonna go and blend it into my socket. This will help me out to blend the darker shades later on. It's a really nice color. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Firstly, I'm gonna tap in the excess of concealer, and I'm gonna soften up the lines and the creases just so the eyeshadow will sit. If you guys are a fan of a really light makeup and you still want this latte makeup style, you can just go ahead with only this color, and I promise you it's gonna be totally fine. Okay, now that we applied the transition color, I'm gonna go in with the color Temptress, which is right here. It's more of a light brown. It's a little bit in the middle. It's not cool, it's not warm, so it's perfectly describing the latte, in my opinion. So I'm just gonna go with this color over the eyelid from the outer corner of my eye and like blending it in circular motions. I feel that this works the best to achieve a really nice soft look without any harsh lines. And slowly getting towards the inner part or inner corner of the eye. If you need it, you can apply a little bit more if you want to make it a bit darker or more intense. And it looks like so. I already like it. What do you guys think? I think this is enough for the intensity of this makeup. The same exact thing goes on the other side. Okay, now I feel like the eyeshadow intensity is enough for me. If you guys want to go deeper, you can go deeper. It's up to you. So now I'm gonna apply Playful, which is a matte like off-white color, and I'm gonna use it as a highlighter under my brow. It's just gonna help the eyeshadow look more clean on the edges. And if you guys have any harsh line, that's the time to get rid of them using this matte shade. Okay, now I'm gonna apply some highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna use Rare Beauty S Hydrate. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. Using a pencil brush. I'm gonna use a bit in my inner corners just to highlight a little bit. And then if you guys like to use a bit of shimmer, you can go ahead with the same shade. I'm just applying it with my finger. So I'm tapping this highlighter on top of my eyelid just a little bit, just to give it a bit of more, you know, like a bronzed look. I'm not applying too much, just a tiny bit. The top part of my eyeshadow is now done. So now I'm gonna go with a pencil brush, like this one. And with the same shade that we applied on the eyelid, which is called Temptress. So I'm just gonna blend it on the under eye area, on the lower lid or lower lash line. And doing the same on the other side. Next I'm going in with mascara. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's called Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. I really like the brush that it comes with. It makes the lashes easy to brush and separates them really well. I already curled them a bit, so now I'm gonna apply the first coat. I'm gonna do the same thing on my lower lashes. Next, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and come back to you guys. Alright, so I finished the rest of my makeup. I did my hair, I changed my outfit, I added a bit of lashes on the outer corners of my eyes. I did my eyebrows. I used Benefit brow gel and Makeup Forever brow pencil. I'm gonna list them in the description below. And for the lips, I've used a really nice brown pencil called Volume from Vivienne Sabot in the shade 02. And of course, if you know your girl, you most probably know that she loves Fenty Beauty. And of course, I used my favorite shade, which is Fussy, all over my lips. This is the final look, and if you guys want to learn or want to know how I achieved the skin, the face makeup, let me know in the comment section below, or you can DM me on my Instagram and I'll do a separate video for that as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can make your girl feel more motivated to create more content for you guys. I hope you like this one, and I hope you have a wonderful day. You can follow me on Instagram if you guys want to know more about me and you guys want to see more about what I'm doing. Have a wonderful day and take care. Mwah.